Two helicopters crashed into each other in mid-air during a police training exercise at Berlin's Olympic Stadium on Thursday, killing at least one person. The Berlin Fire Brigade said that several others were injured in the accident, which took place at low altitude on a snowy afternoon. 3 helicopters were in the air. It was a real snowstorm. Suddenly we heard a bang and someone shouted, "Everybody down!" Then there was blood everywhere. Nearby, there was a huge pool of blood, one eyewitness told a German TV station. The third aircraft landed safely, the Tagesspiegel newspaper reported. Each helicopter was carrying between 20 and 25 people. The person killed, who died of his or her injuries on the scene, is understood to have been the pilot of one of the helicopters, according to German media. Photos showed police and emergency workers clambering over the wreckage, possibly in an attempt to reach someone inside. One police officer appeared to stagger away from the aircraft, helped by colleagues. The crash occurred as over 400 police officers gathered for a training exercise on how to deal with fan violence at soccer games.